Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on name and photo sharing on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the phone app. Then go ahead and click on calls. Click on edit at the top left. Locate and click on name and photo sharing. Now you should see your avatar or your poster photo. Now, to turn on or enable name and photo sharing, scroll down. Then you should see name and photo sharing. Go ahead and turn this on. Then scroll down. Then you should see your last name, first name. Then share automatically. Make sure this is share to contact only. This is going to share your name and photos with your contact automatically. If you want to change the photo you want to share, you can just scroll up. Click on choose a photo. And then select the photo you want to share to set it like this. After that, click on check. And then you want to hang on for this to save. And once it's saved, then when next you have an incoming call or you have an outgoing call, it's going to share your name and photos with the receiver. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.